Hi, this is Kelly from Enhance. We've just installed these rear entertainment screens to the Ford Kuga. As you can see, the screens are currently on. This is my demonstrator, Bradley. So Bradley, show us how you watch a video on Netflix.
You just need to click on one of these. Then when it's done, you can click downloads. And you can download some videos.
That's useful for when you're not online.
Yeah. So when you're going around on a long car journey or something, you can use them.
What do you like most about these?
That you can use them on the go.
Are they easy to use?
Yeah.
Or what would you say to somebody who hasn't got them?
I recommend you using these because it makes the time go faster.
Yeah.
When you're on a car journey.
So what would you rate them out of 10?
9.5.
How do they get that extra 0.5 bit?
Maybe by downloading the apps quicker.
There you go. That's Bradley's review. If you'd like any information, please give us a call on 01622 737393. Thank you, bye.